moving. Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends to the place you're watching me from or watching this video from. On today's video is another special video guys. We give much thanks to Almighty God for the amazing blessings. Let me show you something today. That's our beautiful farm, and you see, and yesterday it really rained a lot, and very amazing and great what we call like blessings to Almighty God that has granted upon us. And this day today I'm really much grateful because giving to the orphanage kids.
Guys,
hey,
what's up everyone?
This
is Brother Dagi. Welcome once again to my brother here, Claude Joseph YouTube channel. I'm happy guys to appear on this channel. Nowadays we have been blessed with rain from yesterday, and right now things that was going to be die like our crops, it's now going to be
okay. Hey, I see also say congratulations to your kiln. Guys is burning what we call like bricks. Those are bricks.
Guys, we have really tried to work from yesterday, but we thank God it was not easy. But we have really managed to where we have reached. So we are praying God that right now the way this life moving, now we can be at least finishing the year with peace. You know, when the year ends, you have to ask yourself a question like, what I have done, achieved. Like right now, now I can say like now I have done it something from next year, new things now.
Absolutely. Construction slowly by slowly. Okay, we are heading to the orphanage. I'm going to pick some church members who volunteered. They were going to do some cooking. And there's like a big surprise. So I want to go to Tanzania, buy some kgs of rice. Then I'll be proceeding to the orphanage.
Guys, if you are watching this, keep supporting, man. Keep supporting.
Absolutely.
With one heart. And don't forget to check me out, Brother Dagi. We are trying, man.
Absolutely. Alright, man. High five, and then we will
be talking later.
Okay, man.
See how life will move.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So that's Brother Dagi's home, and that's Brother Dagi is moving on the other side. And so with me, I'm proceeding to the border town first, and I'll be doing what we call like go have some rice, because one of our subscribers, and together with as I was like, today will be the best day to also support the kids, because this time it's a festive time. It's literally a festive time, which is Christmas time. Please also, if you have something maybe to support towards supporting these kids. The kids, you know, they are just vulnerable guys. They have no parents. The only parents they have there is Pastor Esther, and sometimes we need to make them feel better or feel okay, or just feel like they are home, far away from home. So the good thing is with me, I'm just proceeding there, help them where accordingly where I can. And together with all your supports guys, I'm always grateful for your great support that you always show towards the kids and also to us since day one up to now. We are forever grateful. We are always forever grateful for your amazing support for this time. Me, I'm doing what we call like riding from this point. This is our municipal place where we are doing what we call like dumping. It's a dumping site over here on this end. It's just a dumping site. So I want to pick some church members on the other side, then we'll be proceeding. They want to go help also in cookings and doing something, so it's like a big celebration. So let me proceed. Pick Mama Koi. She also have a shop. That's the other place where I bought some mosquito nets for the kids. So she was like, also she wanna do some contribution towards this festive or this script. So she was like, okay, let's proceed and see. And also with an aid of a good Samaritan, a good donor, who said, okay, Claude, I wanna send you. She sent $25. She should be anonymous. So I wanna just go add up on the rice, and we'll be proceeding towards. And let me see what's going on around Safi, and I want to see what's going on. So yeah, let me proceed and see the good thing that is ongoing, which is a very good chapter. And so we are actually on the tarmac road, and stuffs are okay. So let's proceed and see the good way. Hey, we got this machine. Hey, spotting the machine. all right guys, this place at Shell, so I wanna add gas or fuel. Let me say I wanna do fueling, and then we proceed there, you know. So and let's check and see what's going on around. So subscribe, like, share, and I appreciate your love and support. All right, we're in town and we are loaded. You can see this from the oil, and we bought rice. There's rice in here. So Mama Koi decided to buy this. Oh, actually guys, she has a shop. If you will be promoting her, I'll be showing you. Actually, if you have been watching my videos where we bought some mosquito nets, there is where she operates. And literally you can just come and promote her. See, she's doing it in a good way. So we have bought these. There's a beans in here, have watermelon. So let's go. I will be seeing, and also we have oil that is there, and we will literally see how stuff will be on this other end. So let's wait. Now we are cruising town, as you see. Those are some Airbnbs there. Let's try sit there in the shop, and yeah, so we are here. Oh my god, I'm shooting the baby. We are here. Let's try see what's going on, and let's have a big celebration towards this festive. Let's not wait until it's Christmas. That's when we can celebrate. Even now it's a celebrating time, which is okay, very nice and amazing. So yeah, please guys, still we're having like 2 or 3 weeks, 2 weeks towards, not even 2 weeks, like 10 days towards the celebration of Christmas, of this Christmas festive. And yeah, so I'm all calling upon you all guys for your support. Let's make the kids happy. Let them feel they are home. Let them feel they're not left out, guys, and things will be much better and very, very much great, guys. So yeah, thank you all, and let's proceed. I'll be sharing with you what's going on around. All right, see. So guys, we are heading, and the roads were very much okay. How can we say, they were manned. They manned some roads around, and also we received sufficient rain, as you see. For now the roads are much okay, and this is just one individual who did this, guys. Actually he usually have these cars, the bulldozers. So we decided to just do or mend these roads. Actually when we used to come here, the roads used to be very bad, very, very, very bad. This used to be very bad, but for now at least our farm car can at least go well, and it just now here we are with Mama Koi, and we are heading to the orphanage with big surprises at the car trunk. Let's go see, let's proceed. Let's see how it is in this town area. Yeah, let's proceed down. You see how it is. And already people have started harvesting sand around here. When it rains, people harvest sand. So they are harvesting data. So people are just harvesting sand around here. As you see already, like this guy has already started to harvest sand on the other end. Good, guys. Sawa boss. Poa sana. Aya takuja. So there's a river here already. It also has a lot of deposits of sand. So let's proceed slowly to see how it is. Today being a Sunday, you see. Wow. So for now it's actually kind of different compared to the other time when we were coming. On the road was very dusty, the maize were drying up, but for just a few days you can see. Also this other end. So let's see how things are. We are already at the orphanage. Ooh. Let's see how it is going. Let's wait for the what you call the gate to be opened. Then we wanna see how stuff's going. You know, nowadays there's what we call like a watchman, so we have to honk. Let's honk again. Yeah, so when we honk, it goes on, and the kids are from the water. The gate will open and we see. And it says was boat had children's home, rescue and rescue center. So let's wait and see how things are. I'm just trying to see what's going on. We are moving. That's our dollar phone. So let's proceed and see. And proceed. Has been opened. So let's proceed and see how stuffs are around. Nataka fungue. So we are here, guys, at this end. So we just arrived here, guys, and there's cleaning that is ongoing. Let me check what's going on here. Amra, mjapata maji. Eko. Aro, bebe bwana. Mura. Tora nyuri ya soko ya mga nagara.
Iga. Ani anondu kubure nkoma. Imesha masome.
Oh, hapo kena hokare. Gara bado na gen karigu muja wala bado. Bado na ya tebe ngutara ngakuti. Yeah, so guys. Ngoya kabisa. Yeah, so the well is going on good, and as you see, guys, and we are here with Pastor Esther and there's a cleaning that is ongoing, and we wanna see. Hi, how are you, man? You good? Yeah, so we are here also with Pastor Esther and we see how stuff are going. Hi, how are you, man?
How are you?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, my son.
You
How are you?
I'm doing fine, man.
God bless you so much. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, we missed you so much.
Yeah, we are here today. We came again.
Yes.
Pole pole.
These are big blessings again.
Yes.
And I'm so happy to see you.
Yes.
So happy to see you.
Wakoyo, so she's around.
Yes.
And today we are just around to see what's going on.
Yes.
And we appreciate the gift of life. Pole pole. At this festive.
Yes.
Things goes on well.
For
See
sure.
how stuff's are going.
Yeah.
Yeah, so today, at least a small big celebration. We can
Yes.
say.
Even not small.
Yeah, we can say.
know,
For now.
It's a big, very huge blessings. Yeah, when you see something, even the rain, it starts with a drop. And then it came out.
Helps a lot.
Yeah.
And also we thank God for the gift of rain. For us farmers, we have been crying much about rain.
Yeah,
And also there's sufficient rain.
for sure.
Yeah, so we try and see what's going on around.
Yes.
And we keep on celebrating with the kids and
Yeah,
everyone
yeah.
around.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we also feel to feel and show what
is
has been
going
done.
on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what's going on around.
Yes.
Anyway, how's everything going?
Everything is going well. Yeah, I see everybody is very happy, so excited. We are so grateful. Yes.
So, okay, ma'am. Let's try and see what's going on. So we have bundles of what we call it, wheat flour. We have melons. We have big banana and cabbages. We have some more ingredients in here like onions and capsicums in which we'll be seeing them. And also we have these are beans. We have rice that is here. There's also another one here. There's also another rice down there. So and the meat and green grams. These are tomatoes here, are already on the jiko. And also we have cooking oil, 10 liters, and also another 3 liters of this 2 liters of cooking oil, and some sweets for the kids. So Yeah, let's try cook food and then the sweets will be baadaye. Ama mama unaona aje? Ama sweets wangekula saa hii moja saa hii wakiendelea, si ndio? Wakiburudika. Yeah. So, yeah, mom. So, ndio my sweets, mom. There's the kids. Yeah. There is again. So they can start enjoying the sweets. Yeah. Then they can start enjoying the kids, the sweets. It's like that. Yeah, so guys, we are here and we are trying to put up the plantains or bananas. These are called bananas. The plantains are bigger. But I think this is a species of plantain because they look more bigger compared to other. So we are here. We are trying also to have this. So it's rice, beans, no, not beans, but green grams and beef. Like now.
Bora. Só vai muito bom.
When I was in Uganda, Uganda's not out to take distance faster. So also have cabbages, have a lot of things that are going on. So like this, and this is how we are doing it. Slow bananas. Trying to do it in a Ugandan way, a Luwaki way. Slowly.
Utaongea tu baadaye.
Niweke chini kidogo.
Utapata aliyokataza.
Hapo.
Alikasirika sasa atakuja kuwakataza. Niambia alikuwa niambie mfanye kitu haraka vizuri watakosana na mimi. Na sasa nikasirika aje mkuu tena. Anaongea. Lakini hiyo anauza. Sio kweli. Sasa ndio watu wengi.
I think the bananas are almost ready because you have to peel the bananas, and this is how you are peeling the bananas. You make them clean a little bit. And then, so today we are cooking bananas, and I think they are green bananas and green gums that are already there. At least they are boiling, and we have beef and rice.
They are boiling.
Those are green grams.
Green grams.
Dengu, yeah, green grams, and also green bananas, green plantain.
Kuna kuwaga na orange banana.
Yeah, not orange banana.
Purple.
Purple, yeah. We have purple bananas. Yeah, so those ones are also majorly grown in Jamaica, but also there's where I bought land, guys. There's a guy who have those, I think they're purple bananas. They are very sugary, but not as sweet as the sweet bananas. You also have sweet bananas, the ones that have smaller fruits. They're majorly grown in Kisii Highlands. And this is what you see we are doing around. And we'll be taking you also to the kitchen to show you what's happening. So slowly by slowly. In Uganda, we are preparing your matoke. Today we are preparing matoke, majorly known as matoke in Kenya. And also in Uganda, they call them matoke. They are highly grown in Kisii.
In Uganda.
And that's just one trunk. I can say one trunk of banana fruits that we have that it was bought, and you can just try see. It's going to fit everyone around here. It has big fruits. You can imagine. So let's try and see how it's going on around. If you are peeling in a bad way, please forgive us. Because we know how are these people peeling bananas? You know, for the Ugandans, they have a special way of peeling bananas. Not like us, the way we are doing it. For them, in just a blink of an eye, they could have finished this. Just like... So, let's go slowly by slowly, guys, and we'll be sharing with you what's going on around, okay? Alright. So we are trying to wash the bananas. We're trying to add cooking ugali. We call it ugali flour, so that it can be helping us to wash this. Just like that, and then it will be very much okay. Just like that. So try to give us very clean bananas, right? So kata hiyo muziki itatumiza. sana hapa ndani. Sana ndani. Karibu. That is very high. Anza. Niendelea anza. Anzisha. Sawa. Sawa. Ndani hapa. Na side nyingine penye naziweka.
Kwanza na Matoke.
Iko sawa? Kitunguu so hizo simwange zote, unapungua kuna protein vibaya sana.
Utaongeza ingine. Basi hizi zitaiva mpaka kifanye supu. Ndio weke vizuri. Sasa wacha ziive. Hivi tunatobolea na bila hapa.
Weka tu yote. Iko sawa?
Chumvi tunaweka.
Bado.
Wana mtaka mpeleka huko.
Pole pole dada, sije ruki. Haikuwa ndizi. Isogezea. Yote hii rahisi sasa yenyewe imekuwa.
Usiweke hiyo maji.
Kuna maji moto.
Karanga kijawa. Tusaidie kitu gani? Mama karanga ndio.
Daniel katuju. Ya hiyo banana. Ini kak Daniel. Sijui kama itafaka.
Lakini iko sawa.
Fried rice. Msia kako na chumvi. Mandazi ndio utakula mafuta. Yaani nguvu ya Muluya.
Mama Jan. Oh. Wait.
Yo.
Nakata gunonaje? Ndogo ndio hizi vichetu tunajua zimekaa ndogo ndogo ama kubwa kwa sehemu.
Happy medium.
Hakuna hii ndio ilikuwa.
Sababisha mkeralia machozi.
Ndio. Basi.
Nataka ni mtaani ni wapeleke. Jamani.
Wale wanafanya kazi bila kutoa.
Jamani.
Ulisikia wapi?
No.
Acha nione kama nimedhimithania. Tumeona. Iko sawa, iko sawa. Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Eh? Kayak gue bangga pemulai. Apa hal? Kamu hal?
Dah pemulai kay. Tasol.
Tajiri.
Sema tajiri. Si niko hapa.
Sijakuona ndugu yangu. Kama tulikosana bana. Hata salamu zenyewe.
Yes, and here we cooked food for over 150 kids over here. So today, just a big celebration, you know?
Yes.
Before Christmas, as you see. Very nice. Very nice. Tata, watoto sasa wakuje. Sawa. Hai. We have here banana and they're being served, and we have here rice, mixed rice, it's like fried rice over here. We have here green grams, we have beef and it's being served, and we have pasta here. Pasta Esther? Yeah? Yeah?
Yes.
I see you.
What can I say? It's like a wedding.
It's like a wedding.
Like a wedding.
Uh-huh. What can you...
What I can say is that actually, as you see, even when you ask somebody what's going on, somebody can tell you this is a big celebration.
Big celebration.
A very big one.
Yeah.
We are very much happy.
Yeah. Yeah.
We thank all of those people
Cabbage
who
iko
have
hapa.
done this
Yeah.
for us. Because
You want to serve cabbage?
because making a child to have a smile in her life
Yes.
or his life,
Yeah.
it's a very big opportunity.
Okay.
May
Yeah.
God bless them. May God be with them.
Yes.
May God add them more and more
Yeah.
and more.
Could you serve cabbage?
So that
Yeah.
add them more, so that when God adds them
Yeah.
more,
Serve cabbage.
all
Chukua cabbage uko nayo mwisho
also us,
ukiserve. Yeah.
we get something to eat.
Yeah.
We'll never sleep hungry.
Yeah.
We will be eating more.
And yeah.
We'll be enjoying. May God
Absolutely.
bless them.
Thank you. So you can see the kids over there are enjoying all the way. And there's mandazi here. We have some fruits here. Hey, watoto sahani najaa.
Watermelon here.
Have watermelons here. Hey. Toto sahani ndio shida kutembea jamani. It's so heavy on them. They should uko juu. The plates are so heavy on them. Pole pole. Watoto wadogo. Yeah. Been enjoying, right? So after eating, the kids came and they were about to sing. After eating, and the kids are just enjoying this. Yeah.